Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
So in previous class we have started the trigonometric chapter. So can anyone tell me what is the meaning of trigonometry? Anyone? What is the meaning of trigonometry? Karthik.
It is a study of right angle.
It is a study of
Right angle triangle.
right angle triangle. The next.
Sir,
It is
trigonometry means the study of three sides.
the study of three sides.
Sir, tri means three sides. Sir, bar means tri means three. Sir, bar means sides. Sir, metry means measures.
Sit. Next. Anyone? So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. So it is a study about the triangle. Correct? So in triangle we have so many types based on the sides, based on the angles. So here trigonometry is a branch of mathematics and it is a study about triangle. So it is a study about triangle means it is applicable for all the type of triangle. So all the type of triangle means we have equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Next based on the angles we have acute angle triangle, next right angle triangle, next obtuse angle triangle. So it is applicable for all the type of triangle. But in our syllabus we have only right angle triangle. So it is a branch of mathematics. It is a study about the triangle. So in our syllabus we have only right angle triangle. So clear? So it is a study about triangle. Trigonometry is a study about triangle. Study about triangle. So in our syllabus we have only right angle triangle. So right angle triangle means one angle should be 90 degree. Correct? So it is a study about triangle means so by using the sides and angles of a triangle, so we can measure. I told yesterday class. So which are the applications of trigonometry?
To find heights and distances.
So the main applications of trigonometry are, so it is used to find the height of the object or distance between the two objects. Clear? So based on the triangle, by using the sides and angles of a triangle, so we can measure the height of the object and we can measure distance between the two objects. So we can measure height or we can measure distance. So by using the sides and angles. So trigonometry means it is a study about triangle, correct? So triangle has three sides. By using the three sides and the three angles of a triangle, so we can measure height or we can measure distance between the two objects. So clear? So to find the height or to find the distance of a given two object, so we need some concepts. So first concept to find the height or distance of a object. So first we need to understand what is the meaning of trigonometric ratios. So by using trigonometric ratios, so we can find height or distance of the object. So first, so here we have some real life applications. See, here we have some real life applications of trigonometry. So where we can use trigonometry and we can find the height or distance. So first one.
Can you see a right triangle in this picture? Look closely. A right triangle is formed between the students saluting the flag, the top of the flagpole and the base of the flagpole. Here's another right triangle formed between the boat, the top of the lighthouse and the base of the lighthouse.
So here, so if I want to measure the height of this tower, correct? This is a tower. So if I want to measure height of the tower means, so here I take one reference point. So from this is a reference point. So with the reference point, I can measure the distance from tower to here. Clear? By using the tape. So next, if I want to measure the height of the tower means, so by using angle. So angle and sides of a triangle, so we can measure the height of the tower. So this is like a right angle triangle, correct? So here angle is 90 degree. So by using right angle triangle, by using trigonometry concept, so we can measure height of the tower. Clear? Next.
Here are some more examples of right triangles in everyday life. Now, visualize a right triangle in this figure. By applying suitable mathematical techniques, we can easily find the height of the trees or the distance between these trees. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that teaches these techniques. In Greek, tri means three, gon means sides, and metron means measure. So trigonometry is a study of the relationship between the measures of the three sides and the angles of a triangle.
So trigonometry has three Greek words. One is a tri means a three, gon means a sides, metron means a measure. So it is a study of the relationship between the measure of three sides and three angles of a triangle. By using three sides, three angles of a triangle, you can measure height or distance of the object. So clear? So to find height or distance, so first we need to understand what is the meaning of trigonometric ratios. So first concept is in trigonometry. So trigonometric ratios. So first, what is the meaning of ratio? What is the meaning of ratio? Comparison of things. So normally ratio means it is a comparison of two values. Correct? So here also same. So here the trigonometric ratio means so by comparing the ratio of sides. So by comparing the ratio of sides of a triangle, so we can measure trigonometric ratios. Clear? Pause. So here in trigonometry, the ratio means by comparing the sides of a ratio. So we have totally 6 ratios. So in trigonometric ratios, by comparing the sides of a ratio, so we have 6 ratios. So first ratio we call it as a first ratio. The name of the first ratio is a sine. Second ratio is called as a cosine. Next third ratio is called as a tangent. Next fourth ratio is called as a cotangent. Cotangent. Next fifth ratio is called as a secant. Next last ratio is called as a cosecant. Clear? So first ratio sine, second cosine, third tangent, next fourth cotangent, fifth secant, sixth cosecant. Clear? So let me see one by one. What is sine? What is the cosine? What is the tangent? What is the meaning of cotangent? What is the secant? What is the cosecant? Clear? So totally we have how many ratios? 6 ratios. So ratios means by comparing the sides of a triangle, we get totally 6 ratios in a trigonometry. So first, to get the ratios, we need a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle means at one angle should be 90 degrees. So now consider, for example, ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. So in trigonometry we have 3 sides. So 3 sides means, so depend on the angle. So here we will use a symbol. This is, we call it as a theta. So theta is a symbol used to denote angle in the trigonometry. Clear? So here at B 90 degree. Correct? So here we have at A one angle, at C one angle. So either I will take at A or at C theta. So here I will take at C theta. Now ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. So theta is at C. Clear? So now with respect to theta, we have 3 sides. So 3 sides means, so in right angle triangle ABC, always the longest side. The longest side is called as a hypotenuse. So here which is the longest side?
AC.
AC. So AC is the longest side. So I will write hypotenuse as a AC. So AC is our hypotenuse. Called as a hypotenuse. Clear? So first always the longest side in the right angle triangle is called as a hypotenuse. So next with respect to theta, so here AB we have one more side AB and one more side BC. The side opposite to theta is called as the opposite side. So here AB is called as the opposite side. So always the side opposite to theta is called as the opposite side. So next one more we have BC side. So the side adjacent with the theta, angle theta, we call it as the adjacent side. Clear? So in right angle triangle we have 3 sides. So depend on the theta, value of theta. So longest side is called as a hypotenuse. The side opposite to theta is called as the opposite side. And one more, the side adjacent with the theta is called as the adjacent side. Clear? So one more example here. Same triangle, right angle triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, 90 degree. So now I will take theta at A. So now which is a hypotenuse, which is opposite, which is adjacent. So first, longest side is called as a hypotenuse. So here AC is a hypotenuse. So next, with respect to theta, the side opposite to theta is called as a opposite. So now which is the opposite side here? BC. So I will take now BC as a opposite. So next, remaining one side we can take directly adjacent. So it is adjacent with the theta. So AB is a adjacent. So BC is a opposite to AC is a hypotenuse. So clear? So totally we have three sides. First one is a hypotenuse, second one is the opposite, third one is a adjacent. So based on these sides, so we have totally 6 ratios. Clear? So first ratio we call it as a sine. Correct? So first ratio we call it as a sine of angle theta. So sine is a ratio, theta is a angle. So combination of ratio and angle. So we get the first ratio, that is a sine of angle theta. So sine of angle theta we can write it as a sine theta. So in short form we can write it as a sine theta. So sine theta means it is the first ratio of trigonometry. So what is the meaning of sine theta means? So it is the ratio of opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. So first ratio sine theta. So it is always the ratio of opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So these are like the formulas. So we need to remember all the 6 ratios. So what is sine theta? It is the ratio of opposite by hypotenuse. So this is the first ratio. So here I will take sine theta. Sine theta is equal to, which is opposite now from right angle triangle ABC? AB is the opposite. So in place of opposite I will take AB divided by, in place of hypotenuse, so from right angle triangle ABC, AC is a hypotenuse. So I will take AC as a hypotenuse. So sine theta is equal to AB by AC. So this is our first ratio. Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Clear? So second ratio. So which is the second ratio? Second ratio, cosine. So cosine of angle theta. Second ratio we call it as a cosine of angle theta. So now cosine of angle theta we can write it as a, in short form, cos theta. So first 3 letters, cos with angle theta. So cos theta is equal to, so what is the cos theta means? It is the ratio of adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. So sin theta opposite by hypotenuse, whereas cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So from right angle triangle ABC, cos theta is equal to, so which is adjacent side? BC is adjacent. So BC divided by hypotenuse is same. So BC divided by AC. Here this is our second ratio. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Next, third ratio. So third ratio we call it as a tangent. So tangent of angle theta. Third ratio. Third ratio is called as a tangent of angle theta. So what is the meaning of tangent means? So we can write it as a first 3 letters, tan with angle theta. So what is the tan theta means? So it is the ratio of opposite side divided by adjacent side. Clear? So what is the tan theta means? It is the ratio of opposite side divided by adjacent side. So from right angle triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to, now which is opposite now? Opposite side. AB is the opposite divided by adjacent BC. So tan theta is equal to AB by BC. So we call it as a third ratio. Clear? First sin, next cos, next tan. So next 3 ratios, they are just reciprocals of these 3 ratios. Means sin theta we have one reciprocal. Next cos theta we have one reciprocal. Next tan theta we have one reciprocal. So first next now fourth ratio I will take it this one cosecant last ratio I told cosecant means I will take cosecant ratio. So cosecant is a reciprocal of sin theta. So what is sin theta? Sin theta. Opposite by hypotenuse. So cosecant is a reciprocal of sin means just you take reciprocal means ulta. Ulta means opposite by hypotenuse sin. Whereas hypotenuse by opposite we call it as a cosecant theta. So next ratio is a cosecant of next ratio we call it as a cosecant of angle theta. So we will write it as a cosecant theta means cosec theta is equal to just ulta reciprocal of sin theta. So hypotenuse divided by opposite. Clear? If it is the opposite by hypotenuse sin theta, so it is a reciprocal of sin theta means cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. So from right angle triangle ABC, cosecant theta is equal to, this is hypotenuse, AC is a hypotenuse, opposite AB. So AC divided by AB. Clear? So in the questions, for example, if it is a sin theta, 1 by sin theta means we can write cosecant theta, or if it is a 1 by cosecant theta we can write sin theta because both are reciprocals based on the ratio. Clear? This is called as the fourth ratio, cosecant of angle theta reciprocal of sin theta. Clear? So next ratio, their second ratio cos theta. So we have reciprocal of cos theta. The reciprocal of cos theta is a secant of angle theta. So next fifth ratio is a secant of angle theta. So secant of angle theta we will write it as a sec theta is equal to, so it is a reciprocal of cos theta. So what is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So just ulta first hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Now secant theta is equal to, from right angle triangle ABC, here hypotenuse AC divided by adjacent BC, then sec theta is equal to AC by BC. So just it is a reciprocal of cos theta. So in question, if it is a 1 by cos theta, we can take a sec theta, or 1 by sec theta we can take a cos theta. Clear? Both are reciprocal. So last ratio. So their third ratio we have seen tan theta, correct? Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So here the last ratio is the reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta, tangent cotangent. So last ratio, sixth ratio, cotangent of angle theta. So we will write it as a cot theta. So cot theta is equal to, what is the meaning of cot theta means? So tan opposite by adjacent. So cot first adjacent divided by opposite. So cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. So from right angle triangle ABC, cot theta is equal to adjacent BC opposite AB. So cot theta is equal to BC by AB. Clear? So totally we have 6 ratios. So sin is the opposite by hypotenuse. So reciprocal of sin cosecant, correct? So cosecant is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. So next cos theta. So what is the meaning of cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So reciprocal of cos theta is a sec theta. So sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Next third ratio tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Reciprocal of tan cot theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. So totally we have 6 ratios. So we have to remember all the ratios. So these are very important for board examination as well as the next one higher studies. Clear? So 6 ratios. One side sin, cos, tan. One side cosecant, secant, cot. Clear? So if I remember first 3 ratios, so we can get the next 3 ratios. Just reciprocals. Sin, cosecant, cos, secant, tan, cot. Clear? So this is about the trigonometric ratios. First concept in trigonometry, basic concept. So here we have some examples about ratios, trigonometric ratios. So here first one, So here we have one video first. See, let's see.
Look at this triangle PQR. In this triangle, angles QPR and PRQ are acute angles. Now, let's consider the trigonometric ratios of one of these acute angles. Say angle PRQ, or in short, angle R.
See here.
The side opposite an angle is called.
So here they have taken a right angle triangle PQR. So right angle rectangle Q. So here they have taken a reference angle as the R. So with respect to angle R, so which is opposite? PQ is the opposite side. Which is adjacent side? QR is the adjacent and longest side is the hypotenuse. Clear? PR. So if it is this is our reference angle P. Then which is opposite? QR is opposite. PQ is adjacent. PR as it is hypotenuse. So clear? See next.
Its opposite side. In this figure, side PQ is the side opposite angle R. The side adjacent to an angle is called its adjacent side. In this figure, both QR and PR are next to angle R. But PR is the hypotenuse. So, side QR is the side adjacent to angle R.
Next.
Let's now find out the trigonometric ratios for angle R in right triangle PQR. Sine of angle R is equal to the side opposite angle R divided by the hypotenuse. So sine of angle R is PQ upon PR.
So here first ratio is sine. So here angle is R. So sine R. Sine R is equal to sine means opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite to PQ. Hypotenuse PR. So sine of angle R is equal to PQ by PR. First ratio. Next second.
Cosine of angle R is equal to the side adjacent to angle R divided by the hypotenuse. So cosine of angle R is QR upon PR.
Second ratio. Cos. So cos of angle R means cosine of angle R. So what is the meaning of cos? Means adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent here QR, hypotenuse PR. So QR by PR. Second ratio. Next third one.
Tangent of angle R is equal to the side opposite angle R divided by the side adjacent to angle R. So tangent of angle R is PQ upon QR. Cosecant of angle R is equal to the hypotenuse divided by the side opposite angle R. So cosecant of angle R is PR upon PQ.
So here third one no tangent correct to tan theta means here angle is R. So tangent of angle R. So tangent means it is a ratio of opposite by adjacent. So opposite side PQ, adjacent QR. So PQ by QR. Third ratio. Next fourth ratio cosecant means it is a reciprocal of sine. So sine opposite by hypotenuse. So whereas cosecant is a hypotenuse by opposite. So just ulta. Here PQ by PR. Here PR by PQ. Next.
Secant of angle R is equal to the hypotenuse divided by the side adjacent to angle R. So, secant of angle R is PR upon QR.
So here fifth ratio secant reciprocal of cos. So secant hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse PR adjacent QR. Just the reciprocal of cos. It is a QR by PR. This is a PR by QR. So which is the last ratio? Last ratio. Cot means a cotangent. It is a reciprocal of tangent tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, whereas cot theta is adjacent by opposite. So here tan is a PQ by QR. Here you will get a QR by PQ. So last ratio.
Cotangent of angle R is equal to the side adjacent to angle R divided by the side opposite angle R. So, cotangent of angle R is QR upon PQ.
Clear? So you can take any triangle, right angle triangle. So based on the theta, you will get opposite to adjacent to hypotenuse. So from hypotenuse to adjacent to opposite, you will get 6 ratios. Clear? So next we have one example question here. See here, refer the right angle triangle PQR and fill in the table below with the trigonometric ratios for angle R and angle P. So here they have given one right angle triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So here I will take right angle triangle PQR. So right angle triangle PQR. So right angle at Q. So they are asking, so with respect to angle R, angle P, so we need to write the trigonometric 6 ratios. So clear? First I will take angle. So angle as R. So with respect to angle R, so first which is the longest side? PR. So longest side we call it as a hypotenuse. So next, which is adjacent side? Adjacent side.
QR.
So QR is the adjacent side and opposite side QP or PQ. The side opposite to angle R, we call it as a opposite. So here QP or PQ is a opposite and remaining one side is a adjacent side. Clear? So first always write the ratios based on the angle. So longest side hypotenuse. The side opposite to angle R is called as a opposite and one more side is called as a adjacent side. Clear? So now based on this triangle means right angle triangle PQR. So here we have some ratios means trigonometric ratios. First one sin R. So I need to write sin R. Sin means opposite by hypotenuse. So here first sin R is equal to sin R is equal to which is opposite to
QP or
QP or PQ divided by hypotenuse PR. So PQ by PR. Next cos R. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. So which is adjacent here? QR divided by hypotenuse PR. Next third ratio tan R. So tan means opposite by adjacent. So opposite to PQ divided by adjacent to QR. Next cot. Cot is a reciprocal of tan. So cot means adjacent by opposite. So which is adjacent now? QR is adjacent divided by PQ is opposite. So next sec R. It is a reciprocal of cos. So sec means hypotenuse by adjacent. So is equal to hypotenuse PR divided by adjacent QR. So next last ratio, it is a reciprocal of sine. So sine means PQ by PR. Cosecant is a reciprocal means it is a ratio of hypotenuse by opposite. Clear? So hypotenuse, which is hypotenuse? Which is hypotenuse now? Here. Cosecant R is equal to hypotenuse PR divided by opposite PQ. Clear? So sin P means sin R, cos R, tan R, cot R, secant R, cosecant R. So sin R means ratio, trigonometric ratio. R is a reference angle. Clear? So here we have one more example. So now angle is a P. So here same right angle triangle PQR. Now reference angle is a P is our reference angle. Angle R. So now with respect to angle P, so first which is the opposite? Opposite. The side opposite to angle P is called as a opposite side. Next, this is P. So QR is the opposite. PQ is the adjacent. PR is the hypotenuse. Clear? So now, with respect to angle P, I need a sine P. So sine P. So again, sine P. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. So this is opposite. QR is the opposite. Hypotenuse PR. Next, cos P. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent PQ. Hypotenuse PR. Next, tan. Opposite by adjacent. So opposite QR divided by adjacent PQ. Next, cot. Just a reciprocal of tan. So PQ divided by QR. Next, secant P means sec P. So reciprocal of cos. So here PQ by PR. Here PR by PQ. Next, cosecant P. Reciprocal of sin. So here QR by PR. Here we can take PR by QR. Clear? So in today's class we discussed about the trigonometric ratios. So to find height or distance of a given object, we need to understand the trigonometric ratios. So totally we have how many ratios? 6 ratios. So 6 ratios means we have to remember all the ratios. First 3 ratios sin, cos, tan. Next 3 ratios reciprocal of sin, cosecant, reciprocal of cos, secant, reciprocal of tan, cot. Clear? So based on the ratios, so we have next exercise, first exercise. So that is we will discuss in the next class. Clear? Thank you.